Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create cool and creative typography shape in just 1 minute. So let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then just choose your designs and then just tap on apps. This one, just tap on it and search for TypeCraft. This one, and then just choose this app and then just type your text on here. For example, I will just type like this, and then you can choose your font in here. For example, I will choose this one, and then just choose your shape that you like on here. Maybe I want to choose this one, and then next just adjust your height and here, for example like this. And when you're done, just tap on add to designs like this. Now you have got your stunning typography shape ready to use on your design like this. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.